The world is buzzing about Gen AI and ChatGPT, with almost everyone having tried their hand at these revolutionary technologies. However, AI's influence extends far beyond the giants like OpenAI and Google. Nowadays, a significant portion of new companies entering the market are centered around AI in one form or another. The proliferation of Gen AI and large language models create new risks and challenges for regulators, consumers, and industry practitioners alike. As you embark on your AI journey, it is crucial to familiarize yourself with the compliance landscape and understand the relevant regulations that are on the horizon. This knowledge will help protect both your company and its customers.
AI is advancing across companies and industries at unprecedented speed. One of the things underpinning our work at Dynamo AI is keeping track of regulations and ensuring enterprises deploy AI models in a privacy-preserving and regulation-compliant manner. In our work, we've pinpointed 4 key areas that regulations aim to safeguard through various protections. These include security and privacy. Traditional security policies and systems are no longer sufficient alone. Enhanced measures are needed to prevent situations such as data or PII leakage. Companies like Thoropass and Dynamo AI and our joint offering here plays a key role. The next piece which I want to highlight is hallucinations. It is really important for AI to not generate false or misleading information. A critical aspect, as AI models can sometimes produce fabricated outputs that seem deceptively real. It is also important to make sure AI is not spreading misinformation using a deep fakes. So it's really important to make sure abuse is also not a part of the system. The protection of proprietary data to ensure that intellectual property rights are maintained is another key aspect. The executive order sets standards for AI systems to be safe, secure, privacy-preserving, and trustworthy. Robust testing, evaluation, and risk mitigation is needed before deployment by enterprises. The executive order also enforces red teaming and makes sure large AI developers or cloud providers are required to share safety test results, security risks, and other pertinent information with the government. It also establishes a White House AI Council to coordinate federal efforts on AI policies and implementation. However, the executive order lacks explicit enforcement mechanisms. While it does mandate various requirements such as sharing results, establishing standards for AI systems, it does not specifically outline what are the penalties or enforcement measures suppose non-compliance happens. The EU's AI Act establishes a comprehensive legal framework organizing AI systems into 4 tiers based on the sensitivity of the data involved and the particular use case. It explicitly prohibits practices deemed to pose unacceptable risk with significant penalties of up to 35 million euros or 7% of their overall revenue. This approach aims to ensure clear guidelines, prohibitions, and enforcement mechanisms for AI systems operating within the European Union. It also stresses the importance of protecting individuals' data and deploying AI models in a privacy-preserving way. In addition, general-purpose AI systems must adhere to transparency standards, including compliance with EU copyright laws and also publishing detailed summaries of the data used for training the models. In addition, contents like deepfakes must clearly be labeled as such for the user to understand. To ensure effective implementation and enforcement of these specific compliance policies, the EU has also appointed specific officers to diligently watch where things are going wrong with enterprises. The primary purpose of ISO 42001 is to address the complexities and challenges associated with the use of AI across various sectors. It aims to ensure that AI systems are developed and deployed and managed in a responsible, transparent, secure, and accountable manner. Some of the key principles of ISO 42001 include fairness and transparency to ensure AI models are acting in a bias-free and fair manner, data management and privacy to ensure that the overall practices pertaining to AI is done in a private and secure manner, and finally, highlighting the importance of secure safety and reliability of AI systems. So New York City has enacted the pay transparency requirements for job postings to ensure hiring happens in a bias-free manner across different demographics, while Colorado has new insurance regulations focused on preventing unfair discrimination from the use of external data and algorithms. I am 100% sure that like every state is going to start bringing up new policies to make sure AI is being deployed in a fully transparent and bias-free manner.
Having explored global regulatory efforts, let's now turn our attention to how businesses can begin implement AI both safely and responsibly. Here are 3 foundational steps that we recommend. Document AI use cases. Integrate AI into your compliance program and conduct technical and compliance assessments, such as an LLM pen test. Evaluate the risk of each use case to help compliance teams prioritize their effort. Thoropass offers automation software and audit services for many of the most common compliance frameworks, such as SOC 2, HITRUST, and ISO 27001. These are essential frameworks to know and implement, and will set up a strong foundation for your organization to adopt AI.